Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're starting a new series. We're going to call it 5 Things I Bet You Didn't Know. And today we're out exploring the beautiful Sonoran Desert. We've got Tina and Maggie up here on the hill, way back there. I think you probably can see them. But we're going to go explore around and see what we can find. Hey guys, I finally caught up with you.
Yeah. Well, I wish we would have taken that way because we went down those rocks and we survived.
You went the hard way with trucks.
Those. See those rocks with that tree right there?
Oh wow. You went down that way.
Maggie helped.
Maggie helped? Yeah, I bet she did.
This is the Grease soap bush. And I bet you didn't know that it's the most drought-tolerant plant in North America. And it's only found in the Sonoran Desert. And when you do this and you smell it, it smells like rain. One of my favorite plants, I don't know why, but I'm just drawn to it because of the smell. And in the summer, you get beautiful yellow flowers and it's getting ready to bloom.
I bet you didn't know the saguaro cactus can grow 40 feet tall. It's only found in the Sonoran Desert from Arizona to Mexico.
I bet you didn't know that the mountains in the Sonoran Desert were created over 35 million years ago.
I bet you didn't know that this cholla cactus is one of 51 different species of cactus found in the Sonoran Desert. This is better known as the jumping cactus because it will stick to you and it's almost impossible to get off. This one's actually starting to bloom. They have some beautiful red flowers in the spring, but stay clear because they hurt. Ouch. I bet you didn't know that the Sonoran Desert is one of the wettest deserts in North America, receiving 3 to 15 inches of annual rainfall. Winter rains bring out the deep green desert beauty you see here, while summer rains are short, heavy, and result in beautiful rainbows. blast today scoping out the Sonoran Desert. So many interesting things to find here. It's an absolutely gorgeous place. I hope you enjoy the 5 things I bet you didn't know about the Sonoran Desert. If you did, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, we really appreciate it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell so you get notifications every time we upload new videos. More content coming your way. We thank you again for helping our channel grow. Safe travels. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for checking out our latest video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, click on the little bell to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks again.